What's up, y'all? On today's video, we're going to talk about motorcycle lifts. So currently, I have a Harbor Freight motorcycle lift. It's good for personal use, and that's pretty much it. You know, I started a home-based shop repairing bikes, and I've been very busy lately, and I need something more dependable, something that will go up and down. So I looked on the internet and looked at all the different brands of lifts. And for the money, I went for a Black Widow Pro lift with the side extensions. I think it's going to be a good purchase. It seems more sturdy, and it's 1,500 pounds instead of 1,000 pounds like the Harbor Freight one. And I'll just feel more comfortable, and my customers will feel more comfortable with a more solid lift. Call customer service. I asked them about the liftgate service. They added it on. The price was pretty good. I'm not going to say what I paid because I don't want it to be different later or anything. But anyway, so we're going to go through the process of setting it up when it gets here. I may even show the video of him unloading it from the truck. So stay tuned. Well, after 11 business days, I finally get my motorcycle lift here. They're unloading it on the truck right now. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to get it in. And we'll set it up here pretty soon. Well, the lift is in the garage. I got it all in here. I'll turn it around and show you how it comes. Here we go. So the motorcycle lift comes like this. I did get a little bit of damage right there, but I think it'll be okay. We're going to open up and see. But that's how it comes. That's your, right here. Hang on. That's your long approach ramp, and then the side extensions should be pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and do a time-lapse video of taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. We'll get all the bolts out, and I'll kind of show you how it goes together. I like how sturdy this is. Look at that. It's got some support on the back for the back wheel thing. So I'm going to put that in. Fits really well. Really nice. A little even. All good. Man, this is nice. Another great thing about this lift is all the pieces come with the bolts already on them, so you know exactly where they go. That is awesome. That is like really awesome. So even the side piece has the bolts already in it. I mean, that's good to go. And it comes with an extra seal kit and grease cert for later. I mean, a lot of companies don't do this, so this is pretty awesome, and a pretty good instruction manual. It's not really clear in the instruction manual how to do a lot of things, but it works. I mean, common sense, and you got this. I'm going to do a time-lapse video on setting everything up. That way you're not looking at me wrenching. So here we go. Well, here it is, all set up. I got the side extensions on, and I actually bought a longer ramp. I'm probably going to get the side ramp longer too eventually, but I usually just push my bikes up. But there it is. It works great. Everything is good. I'm going to push the pedal, and it should come right back up. There we go. Good stuff. Well, I know I'm excited about this lift, and my customers are going to be excited because I have a real solid lift. You can tell the difference in this paint on it. You can tell it's not flimsy. Everything just goes good and works good. Everything is very attention to detail on this lift. I was very surprised. It's packed well. I mean, everything was packed and they were perfect. So it'd be really hard to damage it. Customer service was good. I had an issue with shipping and they jumped right on it, and I have my lift now, so I'm happy. If you're trying to decide, I would get this one because I was on the fence for a minute about getting a handy lift and I just couldn't justify spending that much yet. So, hey, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and I hope you watch some more of my videos coming out soon. See y'all later.